Step into a world of waste management excellence with Roberts Roll-Offs. We are your gateway to a flawless dumpster rental experience where convenience meets sustainability in perfect harmony. We don't just manage waste, we master it with precision and dedication, setting us leagues ahead of the competition. Our passion for environmentally responsible disposal and unparalleled customer service defines us. At Roberts Roll-Offs, we offer dumpster rentals and a transformative approach to waste management, making your project cleaner, greener, and more efficient. We aim to redefine how you perceive waste, ensuring your needs are met with unparalleled expertise and care. Our team of experts is poised to guide you in selecting the ideal dumpster size for your project, whether a home renovation, construction site, or a large-scale commercial endeavor. Dial 517-280-3867, and you'll have the solution to your waste management needs at your fingertips. Experience the future of waste management with our cutting-edge website, www.robertsrolloffs.com, designed for easy online bookings and a treasure trove of resources to make your journey with us smooth and effortless. So, when it's time for exceptional and eco-conscious dumpster rental services, remember Roberts Roll-Offs. We're here to be your trusted partner in responsible waste management, elevating your project to new heights of excellence.